Hey girl, you're not advanced. Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl London and I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is going to be a vlog and I just finished getting ready and I also recorded a video for my Instagram. So if you're not following me, follow me at _keepingup_with_London and I will follow back. So today's plans is to take some pictures, and after I'm gonna take some pictures, I'm gonna do a quick outing. I probably want to go to the museum and head to the city and get some lunch and stuff like that, but let's see how well that goes. And as you can see, my dog is barking, so I gotta go. Your girl gotta go. But I'll see you guys later when I'm going to take my pictures. And also, I kind of want to take pictures at the museum, but I don't know if they're going to let me set up my tripod and stuff like that. But yeah, I will show you guys my outfit, but I'll show you guys it when I get to the destination. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm outside. Hey guys, so I made it to my destination. I just finished taking some pictures. Yeah, so I gotta go through some pictures to see which ones I'm going to edit and then post. But let me just show you guys my outfit. So I have on this black blazer, well, this striped thrifted blazer, this black top from, it's actually a bodysuit from Zara, and these distressed jeans shorts from American Eagle. And then I just have on these ASOS heels, and then my Amazon watch and my Louis Vuitton bracelet. So yeah, that was it. And then I had a little clutch, and yeah, so I'm hot, my makeup is kind of messed up, and I'm ready to eat. So I'll see you guys when we get to the restaurant. Cool. Hey guys, so I just left the mall and I couldn't find anything. I was looking for a Chanel compact mirror, but they didn't have it. So now we're on our way to, what's the restaurant?
Right there.
Oh, now we're on our way to,
They said no Chinese, nothing.
Ramsay's kitchen. Hopefully it's good, and let's see what it's about. So yeah, we're heading there now. It's super hot. I didn't think it would be that hot, but hey guys, it is the next day. Well, technically I don't know where I left off in the vlog, but if I'm breathing heavy, my asthma's acting up. So I'm going to get my hair done pretty soon so we can say goodbye to this headband wig because it looks like a mop. But I'm gonna get just regular box braids for a couple of weeks, and then that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna head to the hair store to buy the hair and the stuff, and then I have my hair appointment tomorrow. My mom's gonna do my hair, and yeah, so I'll see you guys when I get to the hair store. I don't really know what brand to get. I'm not like specialized in braiding hair, but we'll see. Okay guys, so a little rain check. I'm not gonna wait for my mom to do my hair because she seems a little hesitant on if she wants to do it or not. I was supposed to get it done today and then she pushed it back to Sunday, but I'd rather get my braids done like now. So I'm going to attempt to do my own knotless braids, and it's just like, I don't know how it's gonna come out. Like, I really don't know. So, kind of nervous. Yeah, because I don't do my own hair. I regret doing my own hair half the times because it just doesn't come out right. But I have faith. I've been watching YouTube videos, so hopefully it helps me. But I just took out my cornrows because I was wearing a wig for like the past couple of months or 2 months. I don't know. But my hair is super dry, so I'm going to hop in the shower, wash my hair, and then blow dry my hair. And then actually show you guys the process of me. My hair sheds a lot all the time. I need to take my iron pills, but I'm gonna show you guys the process of me DIYing knotless braids. I kind of want to do goddess braids, but then again, it's just like, girl, you're not advanced. Like, why you know what? I gotta, like, I do hear other people's hair, but when it comes to my own hair, it's like, it's just a no. It's a no. I don't know why I just can't connect the dots with it, but let's see, goddess braids. And I always get goddess braids. Like, that's my little go-to. So then, I don't know. Again, I'm kind of like that person that once they like something, they usually get it all the time. Like, you know, that's me. And I've been doing goddess braids, but then sometimes the goddess braids gets on my nerves because like the curly hair starts getting super tangled and just not it. I'm just looking for a picture of what I want. Here, let me go on my screenshots. So there's this. If it's focusing, I always get these type of braids, and then there's these regular box braids. So I don't know which one I want to do. I'm probably gonna, like, just so I'm happy with the style and I feel like it wasn't a mishap, I'm probably gonna add some wavy pieces, some, not a lot, just to give that bohemian style. But yeah, I don't even know how this is gonna go, so I'm just rambling. Let me hop in the shower, wash my hair, blow dry, and I'll get back to you guys. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. I'm not trying to embarrass myself in front of millions of people. Wish me luck. Okay, so blow dried enough because I was not trying to keep blow drying my hair. But my ends do need to be cut. But let's check the length because I'm on a length journey. My hair is thin, so no matter how long it gets, I'm still gonna wear weave. That's just that. But so my hair is blow dried and I'm probably gonna just speed through the process. Because again, I don't know what I'm doing, so let me just part out my baby hair, because if I don't have baby hair with this look, my head's gonna look super deezed, and I do not have time for that because my head is quite large, so the baby hair kind of helps me. So yeah, I'm gonna just start from the back, watch some YouTube videos, and occupy my time. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so my lighting is actually pretty bad, but I just wanted to end the vlog here. Yeah, I'm just home. I have to clean up my apartment, but I'm like kind of lazy, and anytime like the weather is a little iffy, I feel like it really affects my mood, because I don't be wanting to do anything. If it's too dark outside, if it's gloomy, if it's raining, I just don't be feeling like doing anything. So I got these flowers and I kind of want to do an arrangement. These are the flowers that my boyfriend got me. I think they're so cute. They have like glitter at the tip of it. Hopefully it's not super messy, because I hate when glitter gets everywhere, but they're cute. So I have these ones, and then I have the classic red roses, and I'm gonna put them together because I feel like by themselves is not enough for the glass, for the vase. No, it's not. Let's see, can you guys see this? I'm not sure how it's gonna look, but we're gonna do what we gotta do. I'm just gonna put these in the middle. And let's see what vibes they give. It's okay. I wouldn't do this color combo at all, but it's okay for right now. Typically, my flowers usually last me like a week or so. That's if I add the food. If I add the food, they last super long, but if I don't add the food, these things ain't surviving. And I kind of did this backwards. Wow. So I'm just gonna apply that into the vase. But I just want to do a little chit chat with you guys. I don't know. I know it's Mercury retrograde, but I've been feeling a little out of it. And yeah, I just haven't been in the mood of like doing anything. I just haven't been interested in like cleaning up. And I like to straighten up, and I've been feeling like I really don't want to do it. Yeah, so I don't know. So I think I'm gonna meditate tonight, calm my nerves, and just woosah. Yeah, the only highlight of my week really was me doing my braids by myself, because I don't know how to do my own hair, but I actually mastered it. So now I just have to go to the store and get the gold jewelry thing that the girls put in their hair. And yeah, when I like have my makeup and all of that stuff, it's gonna look good. But yeah, I just been feeling a little down. My allergies been acting up lately, my asthma as well, like ugh. So yeah, that's just how it's been going. But hopefully the next vlog, everything's different. I actually have 2 videos to record, so be on the lookout. And I'm definitely trying to get real consistent, because I took a break from other things to focus on growing my YouTube channel. You guys want to see my cat? Look at my cat. Her name is Baby, because I found her when she was a little scrawny thing, and now she's just a bad little girl. But and she sheds a lot, and she's the reason why I have allergies. Yuck. But yeah, I feel like I'm just rambling. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.